Some experiences change your life. Being an au pair is one of them. With Go Au Pair, you can live in another country, learn a language, become part of a family, and discover a new culture every day. For young people like us, being an au pair is much more than a journey. It is growing, gaining independence, making friends from all over the world, and creating memories that will always accompany you. The world is waiting for you. Are you ready to go for it?